Okay, so look, we're going to do this pasta today. It's vegetable pasta. I'm calling it naked. Basically, it doesn't have a cream sauce on it or a tomato sauce on it. Olive oil, parsley, garlic, any selection of veg you like. Really simple, delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So you can use any selection of vegetables that you like. We'll have a look at what I'm using. But first, I'm using penne. Again, change the pasta if you want. I've got 4 cups of cooked penne pasta there. 2 cups here of mange tout and sugar snaps. There's a mixture in there of the two. Couple of cups of fresh mushrooms, couple of cups of tomatoes, 2 or 3 tablespoons of fresh parsley. If you want, change that to basil or something's nice. 2 teaspoons of garlic, half a cup of onion, and about a cup of bell peppers. Regarding the veg, you can really adjust it how you want, and like I say, use different stuff. Very, very simple. Let's get moving. So in this pan, I've got olive oil. I'm using olive oil for this. I think it's quite nice in there. About 4 tablespoons, because that's kind of going to be our sauce. Half a cup of onion. A couple of teaspoons of garlic. I'm going to add some salt and black pepper. Now if you want, you can get a kind of dried herb in there, like an oregano or something like that. That's up to you. We're going to get our mixture of sugar snaps. You see, that's the mange tout, the thin one, and the thicker one is the sugar snaps. If you're going to use something like celery or something, get that in now as well, or carrots or something, you know, something hard, get it in. 3 minutes above medium heat. Going to drop in those bell peppers now. Those mushrooms, which I've sliced fairly thin. About another 3 minutes, stirring often. Let's drop that tomato in, the fresh tomato. Let's drop our pasta in. Like I said, I've got this amount of cooked penne. I'm going to just break that down. Okay, capers, black olives, touch of chili. All very nice in this if you want. Simply, another 3 minutes, tossing this around, pretty much done. Beautiful. Off goes the heat. Let's get that chopped parsley in there. Little mix, serve, delicious. Now some people would put a little bit of parmesan in this. You could get some grated parmesan in here. Like I say, it's very, very versatile. I'm keeping this nice and veggie. Okay, there you go, nude, naked, in the nuddy. No sauce pasta, basically. Really delicious, simple and easy. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like. You'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.